Ladies and gentlemen, for us to close the doors for an on-time departure, kindly store your hand baggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you and take your allocated seats immediately. This will allow other customers to pass by you and we can be underway quickly for an on-time departure. Thank you.
कार कोणतो 29 कार 28 कार